it's Michael J, and I am here in the costume room at Christian Brothers High School getting ready for Singin' in the Rain. I always start with the costumes. We haven't even had auditions yet, but that starts today. But I've already started looking at what I have up here that will work for 1927 Hollywood, the setting of Singin' in the Rain. And I did build this lovely item for Lena Lamont to wear at the opening of the Royal Rascal, which is the first scene. And it has this very 20s huge fur collar, and there's a little headband that goes with it that matches. This is a cape, so I could make it in a sort of standard size that would work regardless of who I end up casting, and I could get that done in advance over the summer. So I've got that done, and I've pulled all these clothes, some of which have been lent to me by my friend Kathleen Eberwine, who had some 20s things in her possession, and this is one of them. This jacket, there's all kinds of stuff that I had from past productions that are going to work really well for Singin' in the Rain. I just don't know who they will fit or how I'll use them, and I might not be able to use them all. I found a bunch of men's things that I have. I actually can outfit men in period clothes pretty easily, so but I pulled all the things that are very specifically 1920s out, so I kind of know what I'm working with and what I have. So that's where I get started. But now we've got to go to auditions.
If it wasn't Mississippi.
When we left the movie show, the future wasn't bright. But then the dawn, the show was on, and I don't want to say goodnight.
Well, say good morning.
Good morning. Rainbows are shining through the morning.
Good morning.
Soon.
Bells will be ringing, and the watch will fly high. How the church bells will be ringing, with a hey, nanny, nanny, and a hot cha-cha.
Pluck, 1, 2. Pluck, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Gotta dance.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Click. One, two, three, four.
To the guillotine. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son, but be a comical one. Moses, Moses, Moses.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. action.
And then we cut
Okay.
to how'd that look? Spencer. Yeah. Okay.
All right. And action. No, jab it like push
further
it in.
in.
Start again.
Stab me, man!
Ready? Action.
Strike me down.
Oh, okay.
That hair's a good look for you, Spencer.
Okay. Action.
But he is such a catch. Why, every lady in the court wishes she were in your pretty shoes.
But my heart belongs to another.
Cut. Good. Action.
Okay.
Action.
Hello. This is a demonstration of a talking picture. Note, it is a picture of me and I am talking. Note how my lips and the sound issuing from them are synchronized together in perfect unison.
Even though I'm wearing the same shirt you saw me wearing in the beginning of this video, it is actually 2 months later, and I have all the costumes done just about. I have a few little details, but I basically have all the pieces I need, and they're almost all tailored. And you can see I have this whole rack here full of goodies for the ladies, and a whole other rack coming along here. And oh, here's the green dress from the ballet, you know, like Sid Charisse wore in the movie. And the gentleman's clothes all along here, and another rack that way. That's actually the biggest rack of all. So we're on our way. It's about 2 weeks to dress rehearsals, and I just have a lot of fine details to do, but I'm on track.
I'm quite a girl, a real cultured girl. What's wrong with me? I ain't so dumb. This beach is a flop. What's wrong with what could possibly be wrong with? What's wrong with me? Nothing.
Okay, we are in dress rehearsals now, and I am madly trying to fix these costumes so we can get the quick changes done on time, because it's crazy.
Having to worry, having to care, feel like a feather that's floating on air. Just fiddle and ready for love. Soon the church bells will be ringing, and we'll march with Ma and Pa. Now the church bells will be ringing, with a hey naughty naughty and a hot cha cha. Could there be smiles like yours, honest and true? Out of a cloud, I want to take you away, away from the crowd, and have you all to myself, alone and apart, out of a dream, safe in my heart.
At me they were gleaming, beaming. I was starstruck. You're all my lucky charms. I'm
I meant you just for me. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. A Mose is a Mose. A rose is a rose. A toes is a toes. Oh, doodle doodle. Moses supposes